Camera, aksyon. Assalamualaikum. Hello mga ka-YouTube. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat at sa buong mundo. Welcome back to my channel, Roha GM. Ako nga po si Roha na Manyelen. So mga ka-YouTube, nandito naman tayo at kantahan ko naman kayo ng pinamagatang Greenbeards by Victor Wood. So let's see. Once there were green fields kissed by the sun. Once there were valleys where rivers used to run. Once there were blue skies with white clouds high above. Once they were part of an everlasting love. We were the lovers who strolled through green fields. Green fields are gone now, patched by the sun. Gone from the valleys where river used to run. Gone with the cold wind that sweeps into my heart. Gone with the lovers who left their dreams depart. Where are the green fields that we used to roam? I never know what made you run away. How can I keep searching when the dark clouds hide the day? I only know there's nothing there for me. Nothing in this wide world left for me to see. But I keep on waiting till you return. I keep on waiting until the day you learn. You can be happy while your heart on the road. You can be happy until you bring it home. Home to the green fields and live once again. And live once again. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa Roha GM. Happy Thursday. God bless you all. Sa susunod ulit.